Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very crazy day on this one, and just relatively speaking, from today looking at it individually, a very impressive bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price actually was down here during that opening part of the day and has now recovered back upwards. Sure, the price has pulled back a bit from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was to where it was able to battle back up to, nice solid bounce, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at the 67 cent mark. Why is 67 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 67, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can just go straight upwards either. So maybe the price does come down here, difference being behaved in that manner and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as staying up above that 67 cent mark. In the event the price does continue to try to bounce back upwards, first key area of resistance is going to be all about that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 72 cents. So keep an eye on 72 if there is any sort of continued movement in the upwards direction. But yeah, rough day today. However, we got to give credit where credit's due. Nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.